The Ford F-150 has earned its place as America's best-selling pickup truck for over 4 decades, thanks to its impressive performance and versatile engine options. In this video, we'll discuss the 6 most recent F-150 engines. Stick around to discover which engine stands out in terms of performance, towing, and fuel efficiency, and why the F-150 continues to dominate the market. The 3.3-liter naturally aspirated V6 engine made its debut in the Ford F-150 lineup in 2018, aimed at providing an affordable, reliable, and straightforward option for fleet buyers and budget-conscious consumers. This engine was designed as a base powertrain to meet the needs of light-duty applications, offering adequate performance and durability at a lower price point. It belongs to Ford's Duratec, or Cyclone engine family, and represents a balance of simplicity and modern engineering. It employs a dual overhead camshaft design with twin independent variable cam timing, or TVCT, port fuel and direct injection, piston jet cooling and stop-start technology to enhance efficiency and optimize performance. In the Ford F-150, the 3.3-liter V6 is the standard powertrain for the base XL and XLT trims. This engine is suitable for light-duty applications, including commuting, small-scale hauling, and fleet usage. The 3.3-liter V6 produces a modest 290 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque, making it the least powerful engine in the modern F-150 lineup. Its towing capacity maxes out at approximately 7,700 pounds, depending on the configuration, which is sufficient for lighter trailers and basic hauling tasks. The payload capacity varies across trims and configurations, but remains competitive for its segment. The engine is paired with Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission, which enhances efficiency and driving dynamics compared to the 6-speed automatic transmission it initially launched with. It does not have widespread reliability issues, though it does share some potential cooling system concerns with other members of the Duratec or Cyclone engine family. Specifically, water pump failures have been a known issue in transverse-mounted versions of this engine in other applications. Fortunately, this issue is less of a concern for the F-150, as the water pump is externally mounted and the engine is installed longitudinally, which simplifies maintenance and reduces the likelihood of failure. However, with its discontinuation in 2021, it appears Ford is shifting focus to more powerful and efficient options in response to evolving market demands. The 2.7-liter EcoBoost twin-turbocharged V6 engine made its debut in 2015, marking an important step in Ford's efforts to combine power, efficiency, and innovation. Replacing the naturally aspirated 3.3-liter V6 on certain models, the 2.7-liter EcoBoost quickly became a standout option in the F-150 lineup, thanks to its compact size, advanced engineering, and reliable performance. It is equipped with dual overhead cams and twin independent variable camshaft timing, a technology that adjusts valve timing for optimal performance and fuel savings. Later versions of the engine introduced a dual injection system, combining direct and port fuel injection, reduces carbon buildup on the intake valves, and improves cold start performance. Second-generation models further refined performance with the addition of an electronic wastegate for more precise turbo boost control, and auto stop-start technology was introduced to conserve fuel during idle conditions. The engine also features integrated exhaust manifold, a feature that allows it to heat up faster, reducing emissions and improving responsiveness. Notably, the engine block is constructed from compacted graphite iron, the same material used in Ford's heavy-duty power-stroke diesel engines, providing remarkable strength and durability. This engine is particularly well-suited for drivers seeking a balance of everyday usability, light towing, and hauling, with enough performance to handle a variety of tasks without the bulk of larger engines. Producing 325 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, this powertrain supports payload capacities of up to 2,480 pounds and towing capacities as high as 10,000 pounds, depending on the configuration. Despite its many strengths, the first-generation 2.7-liter EcoBoost faced some notable reliability issues. Early models suffered from intake valve fractures due to the alloy used, which could lead to catastrophic engine failure, and this problem prompted a recall. Additionally, composite oil pans on first-generation engines were prone to leaks, leading to a technical service bulletin. Some 2016 and 2017 models experienced oil leaks through the valve guides, which again Ford issued another service bulletin offering free repairs. Timing chain rattles were also reported on 2015 to 2017 models, stemming from a single-chain design, which was later upgraded to dual chains. Other issues included occasional cam phaser malfunctions and rare turbocharger problems, typically exacerbated by poor maintenance practices. Over the years, Ford has addressed these challenges through design improvements and recalls, ensuring that later versions of the 2.7-liter EcoBoost are more reliable and efficient. After the legendary 302 Windsor, Ford transitioned to the 4.6-liter and 5.4-liter Triton V8 engines in the modular engine family during the 1990s, laying the groundwork for the next generation of V8s. Building on this modular foundation, the 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine made its debut in 2011, representing a modern, high-performance design for Ford's lineup and addressing increased competition from the Chevrolet Camaro's 6.2-liter LS engine and Dodge Challenger's 6.4-liter Hemi. With a mission to deliver high power output and reliability, the Coyote was engineered to balance the demands of performance enthusiasts and light-duty truck owners. It first appeared in the Ford Mustang GT and the F-150 pickup truck, solidifying its reputation as a versatile and powerful engine. Ford has continued to refine and update the Coyote over the years, sticking with a naturally aspirated design even as competitors moved toward downsizing and turbocharging. It utilizes dual overhead camshafts and twin independent variable cam timing, TVCT, which optimizes valve timing to improve power and fuel efficiency. The engine also employs a dual-fuel injection system in the third generation. In 2018, Ford implemented plasma wire arc transfer cylinder liner technology, increasing the bore diameter and improving durability while allowing for a higher compression ratio of 12.0 to 1. The focus of this video is on the one that is designed with truck applications in mind, featuring intake camshafts with shorter lift durations to prioritize low-end torque, crucial for towing and hauling tasks. It supports a maximum towing capacity of up to 13,000 pounds and payload capacities approaching 3,300 pounds. Over its 4 generations, the Coyote has seen numerous innovations and improvements. The first generation, produced from 2011 to 2014, introduced cam torque-actuated TVCT, a groundbreaking feature at the time. However, it also faced early issues, including connecting rod failures and timing chain slap. Ford addressed these with updated bearings and redesigned timing chains in later models. The second generation, 2015 to 2017, added charge motion control valves in the intake manifold and increased camshaft lift for better airflow. But oil consumption issues emerged due to gasket failures, which Ford resolved through a technical service bulletin. The third generation, 2018 to 2023, introduced plasma wire arc cylinder liners and dual injection, but some models experienced high oil consumption and cam phaser problems. Ford issued service bulletins to address these concerns, and by the fourth generation, the engine adopted cylinder deactivation to meet EPA fuel economy standards, further improving efficiency while maintaining performance. The 5.0-liter Coyote has also been the subject of recalls and service campaigns. Ford responded with free repairs under warranty and updates to manufacturing processes. While these problems are not as widespread as those affecting other engines, they highlight the importance of regular maintenance to keep the Coyote running smoothly. Despite these challenges, the Coyote V8 remains a favorite among F-150 buyers for its robust performance, durability, and simplicity compared to turbocharged alternatives. Its ability to balance power, reliability, and adaptability makes it a standout option in the 2024 lineup. The 3.5-liter variable vane twin turbocharged EcoBoost V6 made its debut in 2010 in the Ford F-150, although it was initially introduced under the name Twin Force in 2007. Ford's primary motivation in designing this engine was to combine the power output of a traditional large displacement V8 with significantly better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. By integrating turbocharging and direct injection, the engine aimed to deliver V8-level towing and hauling capabilities in a more compact and efficient package. Its dual overhead camshaft design is paired with twin independent variable cam timing, enabling precise control of the intake and exhaust valves for optimal performance. A groundbreaking feature introduced in the second generation was the addition of a combined port and direct fuel injection system. In the 2024 Ford F-150 lineup, the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 is standard in premium trims like the Lariat, King Ranch, and Platinum, and available as an optional upgrade in others. It is an excellent choice for heavy-duty towing and hauling, as its low-end high torque output ensures superior performance under load. The engine delivers up to 400 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque in standard configurations, enabling a towing capacity of up to 14,000 pounds and a payload capacity exceeding 3,200 pounds in specific trims. Despite its impressive performance, the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 has faced several notable issues over its production run, which resulted in a lot of recalls, TSBs, and even class action lawsuit. One of the most prominent problems in the first-generation engines was premature timing chain stretch. Ford addressed this problem in the second generation by introducing a dual-chain design, with each cylinder bank driven by its own chain to improve durability. Cam phaser failure was another common problem, causing a distinct clunking noise during startup. This occurred when the phasers failed to advance or retard the camshaft timing properly, leading to potential long-term engine wear if ignored. Turbocharger reliability and intercooler condensation was also a concern, particularly in early versions, with failures often attributed to oil starvation or overheating. Another issue was the failure of the plastic oil pan gasket, which led to frequent oil leaks. This was resolved in subsequent generations with a better gasket design. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 stands out as a powerful and versatile engine in the F-150 lineup, combining exceptional towing and hauling capabilities with respectable fuel efficiency. The 3.5-liter high-output EcoBoost V6 engine is the high-performance variant of Ford's 3.5-liter EcoBoost lineup, specifically designed for the most demanding applications in the F-150 Raptor. Introduced as standard engine for the F-150 Raptor and optional in the limited trim levels, this version builds on the strengths of the standard 3.5-liter EcoBoost by adding significant power and specialized engineering for extreme performance and off-road capability. This engine positions the Raptor as the quickest and one of the most expensive F-150 model, making it ideal for high-performance off-road driving and extreme towing or hauling tasks. It has a reduced compression ratio compared to the standard 3.5-liter EcoBoost for managing the higher boost pressures generated by the turbochargers, preventing premature detonation under extreme performance conditions. It produces a staggering 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque, making it the most powerful engines in the F-150 lineup. The 5.2-liter Supercharged V8, also known as the Predator V8, made its debut in 2020 with the release of the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. It was later introduced in the Ford F-150 Raptor R in the 2023 model year. Ford designed this engine to compete in the high-performance off-road truck segment like the Ram TRX, targeting enthusiasts who demand immense power and torque for extreme applications. It is supercharged and features a dual overhead camshaft configuration with variable valve timing and direct injection to enhance efficiency and performance across a wide RPM range. What sets the Predator V8 apart is its 2.65-liter Eaton TVS R2650 supercharger, mounted on top of the engine. It also features a water-to-air intercooler integrated into the supercharger housing, ensuring consistent performance even under extreme conditions. In the 2024 Ford F-150 Raptor R, this engine is standard and exclusive to the Raptor R trim. This trim caters to buyers looking for high-speed desert running and extreme off-road performance. The Predator V8 produces an impressive 700 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque, making it the most powerful engine in the F-150 lineup. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 Hybrid, also known as the PowerBoost Hybrid, was introduced in the Ford F-150 lineup in 2021. This engine was designed to combine the strengths of Ford's EcoBoost technology with the efficiency and versatility of hybrid power. The PowerBoost Hybrid is built on the gas-only 3.5-liter EcoBoost by integrating of a 35-kilowatt electric motor into the 10-speed automatic transmission. This electric motor enhances the engine's torque output by an additional 70 pound-feet over the standard 3.5-liter EcoBoost, bringing the total torque to an impressive 570 pound-feet. This integration also enables features like regenerative braking and electric-only operation in specific conditions, significantly improving fuel economy and reducing emissions. The hybrid system includes a 1.5 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, which is compactly packaged to avoid compromising passenger or cargo space. One of the most innovative features of this engine is the Pro Power onboard system, which provides 2.4 kilowatts of power as standard and an optional upgrade to 7.2 kilowatts, making it a highly versatile tool for worksite and recreational use. In the 2024 Ford F-150 lineup, the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 hybrid is optional on several trims, including the Lariat, King Ranch, and Platinum. It adds a premium cost of approximately $4,500 to the base price when selected. While it is not specifically optimized for heavy-duty towing, it still delivers an impressive towing capacity of 12,500 pounds. The hybrid system's fuel economy is one of its standout features, offering an EPA-estimated 24 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway for two-wheel drive models, with slightly lower figures for four-wheel drive configurations. The PowerBoost hybrid shares some reliability concerns with its purely gasoline counterpart, but has its own unique challenges due to its hybrid system. Early users reported instances of transmission-related faults, including rough shifting and occasional hesitation during transitions between electric and gasoline power. Ford has issued technical service bulletins addressing software updates for the hybrid powertrain control module. The 3.0-liter Power-stroke diesel engine made its debut in the Ford F-150 lineup for the 2018 model year, even though it was already used in a different Jaguar vehicles. It was developed as part of Ford's commitment to offering a fuel-efficient yet powerful diesel option for truck buyers, particularly those prioritizing towing and long-distance travel, and compete with the likes of the Ram 1500 EcoDiesel. Ford utilized expertise from its Super Duty Power-stroke engines to create a smaller diesel power plant tailored for the F-150. The engine is a 3.0-liter V6 configuration and features a single variable geometry turbocharger, variable valve timing technology, and advanced direct injection for efficient fuel delivery. A notable innovation with this engine is the use of a lightweight compacted graphite iron, or CGI block, which is stronger and lighter than traditional cast iron. The 3.0-liter Power-stroke diesel engine was an optional upgrade, available on the higher trims of the F-150 lineup, such as the Lariat and Platinum trims, until its discontinuation by 2021. The engine delivers 250 horsepower, which is less than that of 3.3-liter V6, and 440 pound-feet of torque at just 1,750 revolutions per minute, ensuring excellent low-end power for towing. It boasts a towing capacity of up to 11,500 pounds, depending on the configuration, and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds. Ford's 3.0-liter Power-stroke diesel engine has faced serious reliability concerns, particularly with bursting crankshafts and rapid wear on crankshaft bearings. In addition, owners have reported issues with the high-pressure fuel pump and turbocharger failures. Ford discontinued the 3.0-liter Power-stroke diesel engine by 2021, citing a shift in consumer demand toward the more powerful and fuel-efficient 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine. Subscribe to the channel if you are still here.